dates coconut dip casserole or dates coconut dip bowl or dates coconut chutney. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the coconut chutney recipes and one of the most unique of the dates recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the kara chutney. One of the most unique of the coconut recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the dates recipes and one of the most unique of the vegetable dip recipes. I'm going to make dates coconut dip casserole or dates coconut chutney. We've taken around 100 grams of grated coconut, around 75 grams of dates, and 6 to 8 shallots. Pan and pour 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the shallots. Garlic. Put in the dates. Soak the dates. Thoroughly with the rest of the mixture. Let it fry. Put in a spoon of chili powder. Mix. Put in the coconut. Thoroughly put in salt to taste. Thoroughly salt and mix. 5 ml of vinegar, mix, thoroughly mix. Put in the dates coconut mixture into the grinder. And grind well. And put 10 ml oil. Put in the mustard seeds and wait for them to pop. Popped. Put in the dates coconut mixture and bake on. Put in some curry leaves. Pour in around 100 ml of water. Mix and let this mixture cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Now the dates coconut dip casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Final dates coconut dip casserole or chili dates coconut dip casserole, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the coconut chutney recipes and one of the most unique of the coconut dip recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetable dip recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut recipes and one of the most different of the dates recipes and one of the most easiest to make the dip recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.